Hi, everybody. I'm Jason with Learn to Survive. I was given a challenge by one of my viewers on Facebook to build a survival kit. And the parameters of this survival kit has to be bigger than the ones you can find on Amazon that fit in a glove box. So, no knife, ferro rod, compass, survival bracelet, and stuff like that. I mean, yes, some of that stuff's going to be in this kit, but that's not going to be all it is. It has to be comprehensive. It has to be small enough to fit behind the seat of a truck or in the trunk of a car without really taking up any space. So that got me to thinking, and I kind of got a grin out of it and saying, hey, we're going to go old school with this. So my first thought was a can survival kit. Now, this is not the best can to use. It can be used if you're just going to use it as a container. But I would prefer a metal coffee can. This one's just cardboard. And the metal coffee can serves as a pot for cooking, um, to boil water for drinking. Just going to have many uses. But this one, just as a container, and that's all you're doing is using it to contain your stuff in, would be fine. But I decided to go with one of these. Maybe not this one. This is a plastic 30 caliber ammo can. Still pretty small. Can fit a lot in it. Can do a lot with this. Or this one. This is a metal U.S. military 50 caliber ammo can. The dirty whore of the military. And you military guys will know what I'm talking about when you open that lid. That smell that hits you, it smells like a dirty whore. Um, I'm going to build it out of one of them two. I'm not sure which one yet. Now, I wanted to tag people in this video and challenge them to do the same thing. But YouTube don't care about small channels, and that feature is not available to any channel without 1,000 subscribers. So I can't tag somebody because I don't have 1,000 subscribers, and the person I tag has to have 1,000 subscribers, or I can't tag them either. So I'm laying this challenge out to everybody in the video. Use a can, an ammo can, a bag, um, a backpack, whatever. Build a survival kit that can fit behind the seat of a truck or in the trunk of a car and not take up any space, and it actually be useful. No novelty items, no niche items, just straight down, get to the point. I'm in the woods, I slid off the road in the wintertime, whatever scenario you can think of. This is all I've got, and I have to survive on this for 1 week and build a kit. Video you building that kit, or build it and then do a video of what you did, go through what you put in there and why, and post it. This is a good opportunity for some of you that watch these videos on YouTube but have never made a video for YouTube to do so. And it allows us in the community to get to know you and where your mind's at and what your skill set is. And it allows us to help you even better. With that being said, I challenge all my viewers to do the same thing. And I look forward to seeing your videos. And if you do one, Drop it in the comment that you did it with your channel name so I can check it out and my other viewers can check it out. And hopefully, if you guys do this with me, we can get ideas that we never thought of. Maybe you get ideas that you never thought of instead of just the basic same items that everybody's putting in their kits every day, because I'm pretty sure there's going to be things that go into mine that most people haven't thought of. With that being said, take care of yourself, take care of one another, stay safe, and I look forward to seeing you guys soon.